Welcome everyone to the 360 degree weather report. Brought to you by Pedal Bicycle Works on this wonderful March 14th, 2023 here in Carpinteria, California. Hi, I'm your host Mark Stadelman, and let's get right to the weather. It's raining outside and it's so cool. It is the middle of March in Southern California, and we're getting about right now a little less than an inch in an hour. I'd say more like 5/6 of an inch an hour, but steady since 11 o'clock last night when it started, on and off, but it got going real good at 4 o'clock this morning, and it's been doing this half an inch an hour thing since 6 o'clock this morning, easy. It let up for a little while between 2 and 3, and then it started right off as I came out for this report. It started heavy again, but we're doing okay under the umbrella. Why do I come and do this? It's the weather. It's Southern California, and here on the worst weather report on YouTube, I got nothing else to do. I could do it well, I could do it poorly, but I can do it. So we have the Carpinteria Creek here going on, not full blast. We've seen it better. In the storms back in January, they went ahead and cleared out everything. The water just took the trees and the branches, logs, one after the other came down here. It was amazing. Now that's all gone. It's all been washed out to the ocean. They're dealing with it on the beach over there, of course, all up and down the coast. But now it's just a nice, wide, clean Carpinteria Creek. And when I say creek, it's usually this big, if anything at all. Now, it's a couple car lengths wide at least. So, I'm living just up the road. Today is not a bicycle riding day. It's not even a work day, which Tuesday usually is. Tuesday's a bike riding day, work day and everything, and I am happily staying at home, watching it rain, until I got the great idea to come out and do a weather report. No matter what, get it done. So, we're happy to be here. There's no other reason to be here than just to do it, which is why I ride the bike, why sit around, go and do it. Have a good ride. Nothing wrong with that. Today is not the day. Here in Carpinteria, we have the 101 freeway right behind us, as you saw in the 360 degree shot. It's running pretty good. Usually in California, we don't know how to drive in the weather. That's bad. So staying home is a really good idea. We don't have the tires. We don't have the reaction time. We don't know how to drive when there's a lot of water on the road. It's just really stay away from California when it's raining as far as that goes. And I've driven in Boston, Massachusetts, Montreal, Canada, in the middle of winter, driving the friends to the airport outside the city to go to the Caribbean for 2 weeks vacation, which, hey, I would do. And that was amazing. There was snow everywhere. I took an off-ramp from one highway to the next. Just the hidden tracks of a car that went an hour before me. I just barely just pointed it and said, okay. A few other places where, you drive, you go, hey, I have seen 5 inches of rain in 1 hour. I have seen, driving down the highway in Georgia, I have not seen my windshield wipers. It was raining so hard. I didn't even see the windshield wiper. And then we hit a bridge, pulled over, and that was it. We stayed there until it was over. I mean, when you can't see your windshield wiper while it's raining, dude, it's time to pull over and stop. I had a 72 Volkswagen van with Lisa going somewhere from somewhere, and we were going through Georgia, close to Atlanta, and that was wild. So, I will leave you with a view of Carpinteria Creek. It's probably going to get a little bigger before it gets lighter, and I'm good with that. I am really good with that. So everyone, stay safe, stay dry. You will see me on the road tomorrow, off to work. Thank you so much. Enjoy the ride.